Ivy, and I'm here with Rong,
Hi, everyone.
and we will be talking about Ford Motors Company of Canada, starting with Rong.
Ford Canada, established in 1904, is a subsidiary of Ford Motor Company with its headquarters in Oakville, Ontario. It operates multiple manufacturing plants, R&D sites, and distribution centers across Canada, employing around 8,000 people directly. Ford's mission is to help build a better world where every person is free to move and pursue their dreams. Its vision is to become the world's most trusted company. Ford's core values are innovation, sustainability, community, and customer centricity. And now let's analyze Ford Canada's SWOT to understand its competitive position. First, strengths. Ford is uh, one of the most recognizable brands in the automotive industry with a strong global presence. It has a history of innovative production techniques, having a revolutionized mass production with the assembly line. A diverse product range allows Ford to meet different customer needs, including SUVs, trucks, and electric vehicles. A second weakness, financial vulnerability. Ford struggled during 2008 financial crisis, showing its susceptibilities to economic downturns and high production costs, uh, while maintaining affordability remains a challenge. Third, opportunities. uh, by investing in electric and autonomous vehicles, Ford can strengthen its market positions. And last is strengths. From global automakers like Tesla, Toyota, and GM, uh, causes Ford have so intense competition. And the third part is human resource planning and future success strategy. HR plays a critical role in ensuring for Canada's long-term success. Let's discuss how HR planning can help Ford align its workforce with business objectives. The first, strategic alignment of HR with business goals. Ford is transitioning towards electric vehicles and sustainability, which requires recruiting engineers, AI specialists, and green manufacturing experts. And the second, workforce development and continuous learning. Ford must train employees in emerging technologies like automation, AI, and sustainable vehicle production. Investing in upskilling programs ensures that employees are equipped to adapt to industry shifts and remain competitive. And the last one is employee engagement and retention. Ford must focus on recognizing employee contributions to boost morale, providing career development and opportunities to retain top talent, and creating a positive work environment to ensure high job satisfaction and reduce turnover. And that's all for my part.
And thank you so much, Rong. So the next one is the three industry trends impacting Ford. So first one is electric vehicles. The automotive industry is rapidly shifting towards electric vehicles due to stringent environmental regulations and growing consumer demands for sustainable transportation. Second one is technological advancement, the integration of artificial intelligence and advanced technologies in automotive manufacturing and operations is transforming the industry. Lastly, global supply chain disruptions. The COVID-19 pandemic and geopolitical tensions have highlighted vulnerabilities in the global supply chain. These disruptions have affected the availability of raw materials, components, and finished products. Next one is the three external environmental factors. First one is economic factor. The Canadian economic climate heavily influences consumer demands for vehicles. factors such as employment rates, the value of the Canadian dollar, and the cost of fuel impact purchasing power and the automotive market. The impact of this in HR is during the economic slowdowns, HR must assess workforce reductions and redeployment to manage cost while maintaining productivity. Conversely, during period of growth, HR must scale recruitment and meet production management demands. Another one is changes in economic conditions may push HR to focus on cross-training employees for more multiple roles to ensure flexibility and efficiency. Next one is technological advancement. The rapid advancement in automotive technology such as electric vehicles, autonomous driving, and AI-driven manufacturing are reshaping the industry. This impacts HR on recruitment challenges, attracting specialized talent in emerging fields such as AI, robotics, and EV technology is essential. HR must refine strategies to recruit and retain these highly sought after professionals. Another one is automation's impacts on job. Increased use of automation could reduce the need for certain manual rules while creating demand for technical and engineering jobs, requiring HR to manage this transition effectively. Lastly, on demographics, shift in population statistics, diversity, and generational differences are defining workforce and consumer dynamics. For example, younger, environmentally conscious Canadians prefer EVs, while an aging workforce introduces new challenges. This impacts HR on a way that HR must ensure that the policies reflect the increasing diversity of the Canadian labor market, building inclusive teams to enhance innovation and employee satisfaction. A decline in the semi-skilled labor pool requires HR to strengthen partnership with educational institutions and create robust apprenticeship or training programs to close the skill gaps. And lastly, the most desirable case outcome for this transition is successful transition to EVs. Um, Market leadership, Ford becomes a leader in the EV market in Canada, recognized for innovative technology and sustainable practices. Increased sales, a robust portfolio of electric vehicles leads to increased sales and market shares, as well as positive brand image. Ford enhances its reputation as a forward-thinking company committed to environmental sustainability. These are the HR strengths for those impact. Training programs. Established training programs can be adapted to upskill current employees. Brand reputation. Ford's strong brand can attract talent interested in sustainable technologies. And these are the weaknesses for the most desirable outcome. Resistance to change. Some employees may resist the transition from traditional vehicles to EVs. Limited expertise. Existing HR may lack expertise in recruiting for niche EV skill set. And for the least desirable case outcome, struggle with EV transition. High turnover rates, difficulty in retaining talent due to uncertainty and changes, regulatory compliance, challenges in meeting new environmental regulations could lead to penalties. Financial strain, high costs associated with transitioning to EV production may affect profitability. And the strength for this are employee engagement initiatives. Existing programs can help mitigate turnover by fostering a supportive culture. Diversity and inclusions. A commitment to diversity can enhance problem solving and innovation. And the weakness is inflexible policies. Rigid HR policies may hinder rapid adaptation to changes in workforce needs. Limited resources. Insufficient budget for training and development in new technologies could exacerbate skill gaps. And that's it for our discussion. I hope we have given you a clear insight on this. Thank you so much. Here are the resources